Climb back on Summer Applause. Set to go now, race number 2. Horses out the fountainhead, nobody but you. Moving upon the outside, Doña Nicasia. Only one, Summer Applause et al. Apple Green and Batinga is the early trailer. Now we have only one, the leader by about half Palenga. The fountainhead in second, and in third now, Summer Applause, Doña Nicasia et al. Nobody but you in 6, 7 is Apple Green and Batinga still racing in this. Only one, the fountainhead, party out for the leader. Alling back into the Summer Applause at in fourth, and in fifth comes nobody but you. Doña Nicasia, Apple Green and Batingaw. Only one still the leader, the fountainhead. Here comes Summer Applause coming closer on the outside third. At in fourth, here comes nobody but you. Summer Applause takes the lead, the fountainhead. Only one at the outside third. Here comes nobody but you in fourth, with Summer Applause still the leader by about 2 lengths. Settle in second, the fountainhead, nobody but you. Summer Applause et al. On the outside, nobody but you. Summer Applause et al. Nobody but you is running by the leader, but AB Serious on Summer Applause still in front. Et al. Nobody but you, and finally close finish, nobody but you. Summer Applause et al.
Napakagandang laban po ang inyong nasaksihan dito sa ating race number 2. At yan, magkakadikit nga pong dumating sa meta. Numero 2, Nobody But You. Tabing Balya yan. Numero 8, Summer Applause. At nandun na rin yung numero 4,